So this is our model of the heart. If you look at the outer surface, you have the right atrium and the left atrium, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Blood enters the heart through the superior and the inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava delivers oxygen-poor blood from the body above the diaphragm. The inferior vena cava delivers oxygen-poor blood from the body below the diaphragm. Both of those deliver the blood into the chamber of the right atrium. The right atrium is connected to the right ventricle. So as the blood passes through the right atrium, it goes through the right atrioventricular valve, also called the tricuspid valve. As the ventricle contracts, the papillary muscles pull on the tendinous cords, which makes sure that the right AV valve stays closed during ventricular contraction. The blood is then forced through the pulmonary semilunar valve into the pulmonary trunk and out through the pulmonary arteries, which are carrying the oxygen-poor blood away from the heart and into the lungs. In the lungs, this oxygen-poor blood picks up oxygen and becomes oxygen-rich, and it then re-enters the heart through the pulmonary veins, here and here. The pulmonary veins enter into the left atrium. The left atrium then passes blood through the left AV valve, also called the bicuspid or the mitral valve, and into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts, pushing blood up through the aortic semilunar valve, which then goes through the ascending aorta, the aortic arch, and the descending aorta out into the body. The coronary arteries here are carrying oxygen-rich blood from the aorta into all the heart muscle. Coronary veins carry oxygen-poor blood from the heart muscle and deliver it to the coronary sinus on the posterior surface of the heart. The coronary sinus also delivers blood into the right atrium, very near the location where the inferior vena cava opens up into the right atrium. Let's push it again.